Hi everyone, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I'm going to be doing a surprise unboxing with my friends at Find Me. So I am not paid to review these items. I was simply gifted them so I can host this giveaway. So if you want to see what you might win, just keep on watching. So they were very specific at Find Me and asked me to open on camera. So I don't know what they have going on in here. This is how the box came. I think it came in a box within a box. It was pretty smashed, but I think the contents is going to be just fine. Okay, so far I see 5 packages and then one here. So 6 packages total. Let's open them up. So far I have 6 boxes. Let's go through each one. Wow. These are beautiful. These are bow earrings, and they have the plastic backing there. These are pretty substantial and solid. They are incredibly sparkly, guys. The camera, the overhead camera, won't do it justice, but these are very sparkly. Every crystal is intact. I don't know, I might have to keep these. Let me know in the comments if that's okay, because I'm kind of liking these a lot. Ooh, this is a very nice rose gold crystal bracelet. It looks like it is for a very small wrist. Okay, it does have the chain here. It's not an extender. It's just for added protection. If the clasp comes undone, you can see here it is very tiny. So if you don't have a 6-inch wrist and maybe even smaller, this will not fit you. But you can see what it looks like there. I love this bracelet. The gems are so nicely faceted. They are sparkling insane. They sent me 2 pairs. I get to keep one. Yay! The next item I have, ooh, this is a jaguar, and this is a very tiny bracelet as well. However, looks to be adjustable. The sparkle in the stones, once again, this is in yellow gold. This is, of course, not real gold. It is gold plated, but you can see here it is very, very pretty. Has the ribbed sides. It would look really nice on a small and dainty wrist, or you can stretch it out. I just don't want to bend it. Ooh, they sent me a duplicate, so guess what? Yes, I'm definitely going to be including this in the giveaway. So remember, if you have a small wrist. Oh my gosh, they sent me duplicates of everything. This is awesome. So this is, again, the jaguar bracelet. How exciting. So these look like chokers. And yes, it has the attachment. They look to be glass, so they're super sparkly. They're in a white crystal and a black crystal, and so these will also be included in the giveaway. They were very generous in sending all this, I have to say. They were very nice when they reached out to me as well, which I pay attention to. I don't want to work with companies that are not nice to me because they won't be nice to you all, so that's all that matters to me. I have 2 boxes. What's in them? I don't know. Let's get to it. Oh my, where do they get their crystals? Because my goodness, this is so sparkly. It's on a silver chain. This is not sterling silver. Nonetheless, it's stunning. This is so sparkly. Wow. I love the color combination of the stones. These are real crystals or glass because they are just so shiny, and you could tell that they're faceted nicely. Let's see what this is. I think it's a duplicate. Oh man, yes, it's a duplicate. So this is beautiful. I'm not sure how many giveaway winners we're going to have. I'm going to split all the items up, and I'll post down below how many giveaway winners we'll have. So I have 2 solo boxes here. Oh wow. This is a ring. with 3 butterflies with crystals on top. So we have the silver, the rose gold, and the gold. It is an adjustable ring. It is in silver. I can't put it on my glove, but you get the idea of what it looks like there. It is very pretty. It reminds me of Mariah Carey's favorite butterfly ring. It's very dainty and unique. I'm smiling throughout this whole video because I'm so excited. And of course, they sent me a duplicate. Then we have this little final box. Not 3, but 4 boxes. Oh, this is adorable. I've seen these online. They have multicolored. It's a multicolored happy face. It is so cute. It even has stones in the eyes. It's very sparkly on a gold chain. This is, of course, gold plated, not real gold. Nonetheless, it is adorable. I have a feeling this may be the duplicate. No, it's not. What? This is a anklet or a necklace or whatever you want it to be. I think it's an anklet, but this is a very cool combination. This chain with the rhinestones, if you want to wear it as an anklet, would be adorable. Oh, here's another necklace. Oh, this is a tension bracelet. I guess you could wear it as an anklet too. But yeah, this is very cute. It has the rhinestones on one side, solid on the other, and then it has the adjustable tension ring. That's really cute. I like that. And last, but certainly not least, is this little fella. And this looks like a Phases of the Moon. No, this is a fidget spinner ring in a size 9. So basically, yes, if you're stuck in traffic, if you're in a meeting, if you are listening to your boss speak and you can't stand them, just play with your fidget ring. This will calm your mood. So yeah, it spins and it has crescent moons and little stars, and that's in a silver. It might be stainless steel.
So for the second part of the giveaway, I have this 3-in-1 dynamic animated diffuser, and we're going to give away 5. If you're interested in obtaining this, please make sure that you follow BellaGemaNails and send me a DM with your email, and I'll make sure that the company forwards you one of the 5 diffusers. This is a very cute and creative way to deodorize your car. You can use any essential oil that you prefer. My lovely wife is the hand model and showing you how to work this little gadget. I thought it was creative and wanted to make sure to include it in this giveaway. So this is the number 0 diffuser. I'll put all links below.
So if you want to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is be a subscriber, thumbs up the video, make sure that you post down below which of the items were your favorite. I'm going to post all the links to the items down below. I'll post a link to find me down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.